What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another live trading video. So I just got back from school once again, and we're just hopping onto the markets right now. I was looking at it a bit inside school, looking at the markets, but everything just looked terrible. So we're just gonna see what happens now. But since I was looking, I didn't see anything, so we're just gonna have to see what happens now. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once I see a setup or see something else. Okay, I have just entered into GJ supply. I do like it. There is let me quickly just go like this. So if I go to the 15 minutes, there is a valid demand right here, and then there's all these gaps here which need to be filled. So I think I'm gonna wait on that. There is news in 15 minutes, but it is low impact news, so I'm not really worried about it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want these gaps here to be filled. I wonder, I'll zoom in. I don't really like this, but let me just show you. There is these gaps here, and then we have a valid demand here breaking this high and this high here. So we're gonna wait for that to get tapped back in. But stop loss up here. Let me just go back to the 5 minute. We got stop loss up here, and then round one is yeah. We have moved quite a bit into profits. My stop loss, I have lowered it. It's around here now, just so it gets up back there. But if the market does come back to like my entry, I might just look to get out. But we just gonna let this play out. Some of the gaps have been filled on the 15 minute right now. We're just waiting for the rest to get filled, and yeah. Okay, I just got out of break even. That is so annoying though. It was literally 2 pips from TP. My TP was right there. That's annoying. Oh well. But it was kind of risky though, because there's no proper breaker structure from here. So yeah. Here's what it is though. There's news literally in 1 minute right now. So I'm gonna see if I'm gonna take another setup or not. Okay, I'm back into GJ right now. My stop is at the bottom of these wicks here. I mean, my TP is at the bottom of these wicks here. And the stops right here. It is kind of aggressive. Closed one. I closed just one contract. I'm gonna let the I closed another one. I am just closing them right now because it is at 1-to-1 and I don't want it to completely go back to my entry again like last setup. And then yeah, okay, I'm done. I've taken all my stuff. I'm not even mad about that. I got the second entry. It's kind of annoying that it should have just pushed out. My TV was literally right there. It was 2 pips from this candle here. But it's fine. Came back, gave us another supply, and it just took it down. Could have held all the way to there, but I'm not even mad about that. I'm just gonna take it. Let's see. I'm just gonna see how much I made off of that, and I'll put it on screen as well. So that was a $65 day, and kind of mad. It should have been like 115 off of the first setup until it went back to entry, but it's alright. We did just take this setup, and I will put it on screen. But yeah, I'm kind of glad that it gave us a second setup. But yeah. So let me quickly do a quick trade breakdown of the setup I just took. So the overall trend is an uptrend from like long ago. It's just been straight going up. So this was a counter trend trade. So that was my first supply. I didn't get in a break here because it was open. This was 920. Well, for me it was 320, and then I just let it play out until open was over. Then after this was a 935 candle. Then in this candle we entered. I was supposed to get in at break. If I got in at break, it would have hit 1-to-1, but I didn't get in a break. So then my entry was there, and then we looked just for 1-to-1, and then I did want to, like, I had, well, let me explain the confidence I had. So if you go look here, we have all these gaps here that need to be filled, and then we have a 15 minutes demand right here, which I was waiting for. That's why my TP was originally here, but it didn't get there, and then it reversed from here. It got to there, right there. Then it reversed, and I got out at break even, so right here. Then I saw that it created this. It created another supply right here, breaking this low here, and came in and reversed. So then I re-entered. I'm not sure where I got in, but I know it was 1-to-1. Then I got in like that, and then closed like that. So that's just what I took. Kind of annoyed from the first setup, but yeah, that's just what I took. Today is Monday, so we're just going to see what the rest of the week has. But make sure you guys keep grinding, keep focusing, keep hard working, and showing up to the markets every day and following your trading plan, being disciplined, because we're all going to achieve our dreams. Just watch.